How to create colourful patterns in Affinity Photo using brushes. Firstly, you'll need a colourful brushstroke. Please check out my earlier video on how to create a gradient brush. Go to the Tools panel and select the Paintbrush tool. Then go to the Brushes panel. You can find the Brushes panel in the View menu, Studio and Brushes. Just go down and select one of the colourful gradient brushes. If you want to edit the brush, double click it. Then go to the General section, change the size as well as spacing. You can also go to Dynamics and set the size jitter. I would suggest about the middle. You can also change other settings if you wish. Click Close. Apply the brushstroke to the current layer. You can create all kinds of different designs. Once you're happy, you've got your selection. Go to the Move tool in the Tools panel, select the current layer. Once you've done that, go to the Brushes panel and then right side menu. Then down to New Brush from Selection. You don't need the layer anymore, so press Delete and delete it. Once you've done that, go to the Brushes panel and double click this new brush. Now you can see you can modify this. You can change the size, the spacing, as well as the colour dynamics. And I'm going to go for hue jitter, push that up to about the max. Saturation jitter as well, up to the max. And also you can modify the size jitter. And if you've got an art pad and pen, super useful. You may also like to apply rotation jitter. So I'm just going to go here and set it to maximum 100%. And you can see it's rotated all the way around. Also go to General and set the size. Maybe 766 is a bit too big, so about 230. Click Close. The size of the document is 1000 by 1000. What you now need to do is go to Layer and down to New Pattern Layer. Click that. Then set the width to 1000 and the height to 1000. And click OK. Now that's a pattern layer covering the entire document. To fill the pattern layer, go over to the Paintbrush tool, select that, and then go to the brushstroke. Apply. And you can see now what happens. As you do it, you'll notice the brushstroke appears on the other side as well. So it's a great way of creating pattern designs very quickly. If you wish to save the pattern, what you can do, go to File and down to Export, and then just save it as PNG or JPEG. And you've got there the size 1000 by 1000 and click Export. You can also use it as a pattern now by just going to the Move tool, select that, and then resize this bounding box. And you can see your pattern design now. You can also rotate it. You can also resize it that way, stretch it, and also that way as well. Hope you found this tutorial of interest. Thank you much.